Hi everyone, myself V. Pravalika from BZC Group, Government City College, Hyderabad. My topic is about photoelectric effect. What is mean by photoelectric effect and why does it occur? The photoelectric effect is a phenomenon in which electrons are ejected from the surface of a metal when light is incident on it. These ejected electrons are called as photoelectrons. It is important to note that the emission of photoelectrons and the kinetic energy of the ejected photoelectrons is dependent on the frequency of the light that is incident on the metal surface. The process through which photoelectrons are ejected from the surface of the metal due to the action of light is commonly referred to as photoemission. The photoelectric effect occurs because the electrons at the surface of the metal tend to absorb energy from the incident light. This diagram represents photoelectric effect. When incident light falls on the metal surface, the electrons are ejected from the surface of the metal. These ejected electrons is known as photoelectrons, and the whole process is known as photoelectric effect. Laws of photoelectric emission. First law, the number of electrons ejected is directly proportional to the intensity of the incident light. Thus, if the intensity of incident light is increased, the number of electrons emitted also increases, but their velocity remains constant. Whereas second law, for a given photosensitive material, there is a certain minimum frequency called threshold frequency, below which the emission of photoelectrons stops completely, no matter how great is the intensity of light is. Threshold frequency. It is the maximum value of frequency of the incident light below which no photoelectric effect is possible, however larger the intensity may be. Work function. The part of the energy of the incident photon that is used up in ejecting an electron from the surface is called as work function of the surface. The rest part of the energy is used up in imparting the kinetic energy to the liberated electron. Einstein law of photoelectric emission. According to the Einstein explanation of the photoelectric effect, the energy of photon is equals to energy needed to remove an electron plus kinetic energy of the emitted electron, that is hv is equals to w plus e, whereas h is the Planck's constant, v is the frequency of the incident photon, w is the work function, e is the maximum kinetic energy of ejected electrons, that is half mv square. Thank you one and all.